Embrace nature with rustic designs, creating beautiful outdoor spaces. Introduction: the allure of rustic outdoor spaces. Welcome to the Grand Mansion channel, where we inspire you to create beautiful rustic homes that connect with nature. In today's video, we'll delve into the enchanting world of rustic outdoor designs and how they can transform your outdoor spaces into serene retreats. If you enjoy our content, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts and ideas. Embracing rustic designs isn't just about aesthetics, it's about crafting spaces that resonate with the natural environment, encouraging relaxation and inspiring creativity. Let's embark on this journey to create beautiful outdoor spaces that blend seamlessly with nature. The essence of rustic design. At its core, rustic design celebrates the beauty of natural materials and simplicity. It draws inspiration from the countryside, utilizing elements such as wood, stone, and organic textiles to create spaces that feel grounded and inviting. By incorporating rustic elements into your outdoor areas, you invite a sense of calm and connection to the environment. Imagine sitting on a wooden bench crafted from reclaimed wood, surrounded by lush greenery and the gentle sounds of nature. Rustic design embraces imperfections, highlighting the unique textures and tones of natural materials. This authenticity fosters a feeling of warmth and comfort, making outdoor spaces not just visually appealing but also welcoming retreats for family and friends. Choosing natural materials. When designing your rustic outdoor space, selecting the right materials is crucial. Opt for natural elements like untreated wood, stone, and clay. These materials not only enhance the aesthetic appeal but also withstand the test of time and weather. For instance, a stone pathway leading to a cozy seating area can create a charming focal point. Consider incorporating wood features such as pergolas, decks, or furniture that complement the surrounding landscape. Using reclaimed materials adds character and history to your design, connecting the space to the past while promoting sustainability. By prioritizing natural materials, you ensure that your outdoor area harmonizes with its environment, creating a seamless flow between indoors and outdoors. Integrating nature into your design. Embracing nature in your outdoor design goes beyond just materials. It involves thoughtfully incorporating natural elements into your layout. Plan your space to include native plants that thrive in your local climate, enhancing the overall ecosystem. Utilize local flora not only for their beauty but also for their ability to attract pollinators and support wildlife. Create zones within your outdoor area, such as a vegetable garden, flower beds, or shaded relaxation spots under trees. These zones can be framed with rustic fences or stone borders, adding structure while allowing nature to take center stage. By integrating nature into your design, you create an outdoor space that feels alive and vibrant, inviting both relaxation and creating inviting seating areas. Comfort is key when designing outdoor spaces. Rustic seating areas can become the heart of your outdoor retreat, where friends and family gather to enjoy meals, share stories, or simply bask in the beauty of nature. Consider incorporating large wooden tables with matching benches, adorned with cushions in earthy tones. Surround these seating areas with greenery or flowers to create an inviting atmosphere. Adding fire pits can enhance the experience, providing warmth and a cozy ambience for evening gatherings. Remember to arrange seating in a way that encourages conversation and connection with nature, ensuring that your outdoor space serves as a welcoming haven for all. Enhancing with lighting. Lighting plays a vital role in setting the mood for your outdoor space. Rustic designs often feature warm, ambient lighting that complements the natural surroundings. String lights hung between trees or along fences can create a magical atmosphere, perfect for evening gatherings. Incorporating lanterns made from natural materials or vintage finds can add a charming touch. Consider using solar-powered lights to enhance sustainability, allowing your outdoor area to shine while being environmentally conscious. Thoughtful lighting design can transform your rustic outdoor space into a dreamy escape, inviting you to linger long after the sun sets. Personalizing your space. Personal touches can elevate your rustic outdoor design, making it uniquely yours. Incorporate elements that reflect your personality and interests, whether it's art, family heirlooms, or DIY projects. Create a dedicated space for hobbies, such as a small potting bench for gardening enthusiasts or an outdoor art studio for creative souls. Consider displaying handmade crafts or vintage finds that tell a story and connect with nature. Personalization fosters a deeper connection to your outdoor space, making it not just a place to relax but a reflection of who you are. The more you infuse your personality into the design, the more it becomes a cherished extension of your home. Sustainability in rustic designs. In today's world, sustainability is more important than ever. Embracing rustic design allows you to create eco-friendly outdoor spaces that respect the environment. Focus on using sustainable materials, such as reclaimed wood or locally sourced stone, which have a lower environmental impact. Implementing rain gardens or composting areas can enhance the ecological balance of your outdoor space. Native plants require less water and maintenance, promoting biodiversity. Consider installing rainwater collection systems to water your plants sustainably. By prioritizing sustainability in your design, you create a harmonious relationship with nature, ensuring that your outdoor space remains beautiful for generations to come. Your rustic outdoor sanctuary awaits. As we wrap up this exploration of rustic outdoor designs, we hope you feel inspired to embrace the beauty of nature in your own spaces. Creating beautiful outdoor areas is not just about aesthetics, it's about forging a deeper connection with the environment and crafting a sanctuary for relaxation and creativity. We invite you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. What rustic elements do you love? Don't forget to like and subscribe to the De Grand Mansion channel for more inspirations on rustic home designs. Your dream outdoor space is within reach, and we can't wait to see what you create.